I want everybody to go in.
Everybody's screwed.
Make sure that the two double bars are not between your legs. That the two double bars are not between your legs.
Lord of mercy. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
My people, my good people, are you sure that you really want to go through this?
Pretty sure.
Yes.
Are you sure that you want to do this?
Yes.
Yeah!
Are you ready to rock and roll?
Yes.
That is great. I like your courage, your confidence and your trust in me. Back up. Before we set sail, we ask that you please remain seated with your hands and arms inside the boat for the entire length of the voyage. If at any time you start to feel seasick, please place one hand above your head, the other hand over your mouth, and I will be happy to bring your journey to an end as soon as possible. There is going to be a screaming competition between my right hand side and my left hand side. I want you to look straight into their eyes. Look straight into their eyes. No panicking, no shaking, no freaking out, no crying. Nobody cries in this boat.
Especially me. Why did he point at me? Here we go.
Whether you like it or not, you are on your way to the Atlantic Ocean. I am taking you across to the Atlantic Ocean. A very deep ocean.
I think he just did shrimp.
Give me scream! Give me coming to an end. Please remain seated until we drop anchor. And the boat has come to a full and complete stop. Thank you, my people. I like the way you screamed. That was great. That was fantastic and excellent. Thank you, my people.
Lord of mercy. I gave him screw.